If your Honda Odyssey keeps dropping your Apple CarPlay connection mid-drive, you are not alone, and the fix is often simpler than you think. Statistically, the vast majority of these connection drops are caused by poor quality cables or simple debris inside the charging port. Let us walk through the troubleshooting steps to restore your stability. Start by testing a high-quality MFI cable, clear any debris from your phone port, and perform a hard reset on the infotainment system. Other culprits include internal cable damage, worn USB connector pins, or even a simple software mismatch between your phone and the Honda unit. If the problem persists, forget the device from your Odyssey settings and remove the car from your phone, then set up the connection as new. Most fixes are easy DIY tasks, but if you have tried everything and it still fails, you may be looking at a hardware fault requiring a dealer. As this chart shows, the overwhelming majority of connectivity issues are solved by swapping out a bad cable, not replacing expensive hardware. Keep a flashlight handy to inspect your USB port and ensure your laptop is ready for any official software updates from Honda. Pro tip: use the shortest cable possible and avoid letting it dangle under tension, which often leads to the intermittent connection drops. Remember, consistency is king with digital connections, and a loose cable is usually the root of all your frustration. If these steps helped you get back on the road with stable music and maps, hit that like button and subscribe for more Odyssey tips.